the TCL Amazon exclusive 55 packs 4K UltraHD Resolution into your living room, and after using it, here's exactly what stood out. Imagine walking into a world where every scene is so vividly detailed, you feel like you're right there in the action. That's what you get with this TV. For X, the resolution of full HDTVs, making even the smallest details pop. You can see textures, colors, and movements that will transport you to new dimensions. But it's not just about looking good. It's also about feeling immersed. And that's where QLED comes in. A technology that brings images to life with rich, vibrant colors covering nearly the entire DCI-P3 color space. It's like having a whole new world of emotions and sensations at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about performance. With a 120Hz panel refresh rate, you can watch action-packed movies, fast-paced video games, and live sports without any motion blur. It's like having the smoothest, most realistic experience in front of your eyes. And with the TCL AIPQ Pro Processor, every scene is optimized for an unrivaled 4K HDR experience. But what about sound? That's where Dolby Atmos audio comes in, advanced spatial audio processing that'll make you feel like you're part of the action. Movies, TV shows, and video games have never sounded so lifelike. And with Google TV built in, you can easily find your favorite movies, shows, and live channels in one place. One of my favorite features is voice control. It's so easy to use, even kids can do it. Works seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit for hands-free control. Want to stream content from thousands of apps or share videos, photos, and music? Just use the included voice remote or your Apple devices with Apple AirPlay 2. But wait, there's more. The TCL Amazon exclusive 55 also features HDR Pro Plus with Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus, HDR10, and HLG. This means enhanced contrast, accurate colors, and fine details, all in stunning high definition. You'll feel like you're right there in the heart of every scene. Now, let's talk about connection speeds. With 4 HDMI inputs including one with eARC, you can hook up your gaming console, set-top box, AV receiver, or more without any issues. And with high-speed Wi-Fi 5 connectivity, you'll have smooth, reliable streaming all day long. One of the standout features that caught my attention is motion rate 480 with MEMC frame insertion. It's like having a personal motion clarity expert in your living room, making even the most complex scenes look crystal clear. And finally, let's talk about energy efficiency. The TCL Amazon exclusive 55 has a direct LED backlight that produces brighter images without increasing power consumption. You can enjoy an enhanced viewing experience for all your favorite movies and TV shows without sacrificing the planet. In short, this TV is not just a product, it's an experience. It brings you closer to the action, transports you to new dimensions, and makes every moment feel like magic. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link below to get your TCL Amazon exclusive 55 today.